Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm the Chess Nerd, and today we're going to be unboxing a very, very cool book that I've been waiting to unbox for about 3 days now. So let's get into it. Hey everyone, so I'm using this time-lapse to explain to you guys what's going on in this video today. So I'm unboxing 3 books from 3 different centuries about 1 century, the 19th century. And this century, so the 1800s, will be the concentration of this chess channel for the next coming months. I hope you enjoy. And it's basically all the chess players of the 19th century, from the 1860s. Max Weiss, which I showed as a post of his game on my Instagram, with 300 annotated games. Wow. This book is about your Mikhail Chigorins, Howard Stauntons, everybody that was big in the 19th century, right? Wilhelm Steinitz, all these guys, you know, even Paul Morphy, these guys are in this book, and it's just one of the best books I have seen all year. This cover attracted me, really the title. I'm really into like historical chess, so this is like really the best thing for me. We have our second book from the 19th century. Yeah, the second of 3, it just arrived, so let's unbox. I really don't know what it is. Adding to the excitement. So this was published in 1962. It's about the chess tournament in 1883. London International Chess Tournament of 1883. And it's you know, it's a 60-year-old book, so it's pretty cool. It wasn't that expensive even. The tournament is ranked by everyone's games. Steinitz's games, Blackburn's games. Somebody called English's game, I don't know who that is. It's gonna be part of our big series on the 19th century, so I'm super excited for this. Long came the waiting. So excited to add this one combined with this one, adding on to my collection of the 19th century. Super proud, and we have a third one on the 19th century coming next week, so I'm super excited. And here is the final book about the 19th century, so let's unbox it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's here. It's great. It's old. I have it right here. Oh my. I am not joking. This book is the only one of the 3 that is from the 19th century. This book was published in the 19th century. Look at that old binding. Old pages. Wow. Okay, so this is why it was 90 instead of its worthy, 400. Look at this. So I'm trembling. So this is the title of the book. It's the actual first edition Hastings chess tournament of 1895. It's in pretty messed up shape. So that's what the seller was telling me about. It's like it's pretty open here and even down here. It's pretty bad. From Putnam, this was published in 1896. This is a page from the book. Pages are absolutely intact. Very, very good condition. It's just a binding message. And it's even golden. And the top of it is even golden. I don't know if you see that. Look, it's gold, right? Compared to here. This is just like normal paper. This is golden. Get the reflection of the sun there. Woo! This is a book from 1896. It's my oldest book. It's my most expensive book. It's a beauty. So that concludes it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And these were the three books. So with these three books, so this one, Hastings 95, three books from three different centuries. So this was 1962. This one is 1896, so 19th, 20th, and 21st century. This is 2021, just got out. So with these three books from these three centuries, about the same century, the 19th century, I'm about to just explore the 19th century of chess. And if you want to, you can come on this journey with me. It's going to be a fun YouTube experience. So I'm looking forward to it, and let's discover together.